Unlocking Your Inner Confidence, a step-by-step guide. In this world filled with doubts and fears, confidence is key. It's not about being arrogant, but having faith in your abilities. Let's embark on a journey of self-confidence together. To be confident, you must first know yourself. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, and what truly drives you. Ignorance breeds fear, while knowledge empowers. So, delve into your inner self and find your true worth. Next, remember that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and move forward. No failure is fatal unless you let it be. Confidence also requires positivity. Maintain a positive outlook, not just towards your life and your abilities, but also towards others. Positivity breeds positivity, and this will create an aura of confidence around you. Practice makes perfect, and confidence is no exception. Repeatedly challenge yourself, push your boundaries, and step out of your comfort zone. Every successful step boosts your confidence. Each failure makes you stronger. Body language is also crucial to projecting confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak firmly. Your physical demeanor can influence your mental state, creating a positive feedback loop of self-assuredness. Visualization is a powerful tool for building confidence. Picture yourself achieving your goals and immerse yourself in that feeling of success. This mental rehearsal primes you for the real thing, boosting your confidence. Avoid negativity, both internally and externally. Negative thoughts and people dampen your spirits. Surround yourself with positivity and counter negative self-talk with affirmations of your abilities, strengths, and achievements. Confidence also comes from preparation. Whether it's a speech, a job interview, or a marathon, being prepared helps you feel more confident. Preparation breeds familiarity, reducing fear and enhancing confidence. Take care of your health too. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep contribute to your overall well-being and self-perception. When you feel good physically, it radiates in your confidence. Finally, cultivate gratitude. It's easy to lose confidence when you focus on what you lack. Instead, appreciate what you have and who you are. This self-love and acceptance is the bedrock of confidence. In conclusion, confidence is not a gift, but a skill that can be learned and honed. Embark on this journey with us, embrace your failures, and celebrate your successes. Keep striving, keep growing, and unlock your inner confidence.